Hi everyone, welcome to C Programming Aptitude session. This is the first question, int main, printf C, and main. I am calling the main function a number of times. These are the following options: infinite times, compile time error, till, stack overflow. Fourth one is runtime error. You can pause this video, you can predict the output of this code. Now we will execute this code. Just observe the output. C is printing. But here it is showing like close the program. And this has stopped working because of stack overflow. And here I am calling the main function repeatedly. Here when it's come here, I'm printing the C. Again, I'm calling the main function. Here I am calling the main function repeatedly, and it returns the address that is stored in a stack. Once a stack memory is full, it shows the stack overflow error. This is second question, void call int comma int main, int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3, call a comma b, printf %d a comma b, and here void call int a comma int b. Here I'm performing the multiplication operation. Predicting output of this code. First option is 10 and 3, and second option is 30 and 30. Third option is compile time error. Fourth option is runtime error. You can pause this video, you can predict an output of this code. We will execute this code. The final output is 10 and 3 will be displayed on the screen. This concept we call it as call by value in C programming language. This is what we call it as prototype declaration. Here 10 and 3 I am passing as an argument for the function called call is a function name. Here user defined function. And when I'm calling the call function, and also I'm passing 10 and 3, and it will reach us for the function definition are called function. So 10 will be stored over here, 3 will be stored over here. If you do any changes here, I'm performing the multiplication operation. After that, the values will be stored in a local variable called a and b. After this control coming back for the same position. Then after that, it is printing a and b. So 10 and 3 will be displayed on the screen. When you are passing the value from calling to call, if you do any modification in the called function, the value which is present in the calling function which remains same. So this is what the concept we call it as call by value in C programming language. That's the next question, void call int star, comma int star, int main, int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3. Call, I am passing the address of the a and b. So printf %d a and b, and this is the function definition. Here I'm taking the pointer in star a in star b, and star a into star a assigned for the star a, and star b is equal to star b into star b, and predict the output of this code. The first option is 10 and 3, and second option is 100 comma 9, and the third option is 100 followed by the 3, and fourth option is 10 followed by the 9. You can pause this video, you can predict the output of this code. Now we will execute this code. This concept we call it as pass by reference or call by reference. The previous one, call by value, and this is call by reference. So here in this concept, instead of passing the value, we are passing the address. When you're passing the address, in this address, if you want to fetch the value, you should go for the pointer concept. Here I'm passing the address of A and B, and it will reach us for the function definition. And here I'm using the pointer because I need to fetch the value which is stored in the address of A as well as the address of B. After here, I'm performing the operation here. So 10 into 10, 100 will be stored in A, and here 3 into 3, and that will be 9 will be stored here. So when you're passing the address from calling to called, here I'm taking the value in the function definition. If you do any modification in the called function, if you do any changes, any modification in the called function, the value which is present in the calling, that will be affected. So that's the reason this concept we call it as call by reference. This is the fourth question. Int k, int main, while followed by the k, and call and followed by the call one. Printf Java, then this is the function definition void call. Here I'm printing the C, and here one more function definition void followed by call one. And here I'm printing C++. Predict an output of this code. The first option is C and C++. Second option is Java, and third option is C, C++, Java. And the fourth option is compile time error. You can pause this video. You can predict the output of this code. Now we will execute this code. We'll compile and run. Now here Java will be displayed on the screen. So here points to be remember is here the global variable I have not yet initialized. If you are not yet initialized the global variable, it will take a 0 by default. If it is take a 0 by default, here I will get inside the main, and while followed by the 0 is condition false. So that is the reason it never get inside the while loop. So that is the reason I'm not calling the call as well as the call one. So after this, it will executes the next statement means it will go for the printf followed by the Java will be printed on the screen. It never reaches for the function definition called call as well as the call one. Global variables are initialized to 0 by default. This is the one point you should be remember. This is the fifth question. Int main int k is equal to call followed by the 10 and with semicolon printf percentage d slash n comma k followed by post decrement of k. Int call int k return k followed by post increment of k. You can predict the output of this code. The first option is 10, second option is 11, third option is 9, and fourth option is compile time error. Now we will execute this code. So it will be displayed 10. So now I am calling this function call followed by 10 and control reaches here. The k will be assigned for the value called 10. Now here I am returning the 10 first. After that I am performing the increment operation. So k is equal to 10 first assigned here. I am returning the 10. After that it will be initialized by 1. When I'm returning the k, this is post increment return 10. 10 means again it is coming back for the same position with the value called 10. 10 will be assigned over here and 10 will be displayed. After that it is post decremented by 1. Suppose if you want to use one more printf guys, now after the post decrement the value gets decremented by 1. So 9 will be displayed on the screen. Hello guys, do follow me on Sukshmas for more questions, e-notes as well as the MCQ. If you are beyond knowing participant, try to alter my code and try to alter your options and post it as a MCQ and Sukshma's platform to get very good quality bonus points. Practice well. See you in my next session. Thank you.